All right, so May 2018, question number one. A says, using a calculator or otherwise, calculate, evaluate each of the following, giving your answer to two decimal places. All right, so for this, you could just put it in a calculator and press equal, because you were told using a calculator or otherwise. So let's put it in a calculator, which is what? 73.18, 73.18 plus, sorry, not plus, minus 5.23 times 9.34. And so the answer here is 24.3318. All right, then we're asked to write the answer correct to two decimal places. So if you want to write a number correct to two decimal places, you must look at the digit. That is the third decimal place. If that digit is 5 or more, you would add 1 to the digit before it. If it is 4 or less, you're going to drop it and every digit after it. So the digit we're looking at is 1. Since it's less than 5, we're going to drop it and every digit after it. So the answer would be 24.33 to 2 decimal places. All right, next, this is 3.1 squared divided by 6.17. So if we want, we could just put this in the calculator as well and press equal. It's 3.1 squared divided by 6.17. And then now to this, we're going to add 1.12. All right, so the answer here is 2.6775. Some other digits come after it, but we could stop here. Now we're to write this number now to two decimal places. So we have to look at the digit that is the third decimal place, which is 7. If the digit that you're looking at is 5 or more, you would add 1 to the digit before it. Now, since the digit we're looking at is a 7, we're going to add 1 to the digit before it, which is a 7. So the answer is 2.68 to 2 decimal places. All right, let's move on. This says, Jenny works at Sammy's restaurant and is paid according to the rate in the following table. So Jenny's weekly wage agreement, her basic wage is $600. All right, and she's paid 90 cents for every customer served. It says in a week, Jenny serves N customers. Her weekly wages, Jenny's WJ in dollars is given by the formula WJ is equal to 600 plus 0.9 N. We're asked to determine Jenny's weekly wage if she serves 230 customers. All right, so Jenny's weekly wage would be equal to 600 plus 0.9 N. Now where N there is the number of customers she serves. So when N is 230, the answer would be 600 plus 0.9 times 230. So we could just put this in our calculator and press equal if we wanted to. This is 600 plus 207. So For that week, Jenny would have earned $807. This says in a good week, Jenny's wages is $1,000 or more. What is the least number of customers that Jenny must serve in order to have a good wage? All right. So if Jenny gets a good wage, she'll earn $1,000. So her weekly wage, which is so Jenny's weekly wage, WJ, is equal to 600 plus 0.9N. And in a good week, that would be equal to $1,000. So 0.9N, and N being the number of customers, would be $1,000 minus 600. 0.9N would be equal to $400. Divide both sides by 0.9. So N is equal to
904.
this says 444 customers. So in order for Jenny to make $1,000, 444.4. So let us say N would be equal to 445, because you can't have 0.4 of a customer. So in order for Jenny to have a good week, she'd have to serve a minimum of 445 customers. All right. All right. And if she serves 444.4 customers, she will earn $1,000. Now, at the same restaurant, Shauna is paid a weekly wage of $270 plus $1.50 for every customer she serves. So Shauna's wage agreement is different. If WS is Shauna's weekly wage in dollars, write a formula for calculating Shauna's weekly wage when she serves M customers. All right, so WS would be equal to the basic, which is $270 plus $1.50, and she will earn that from serving what M customers. So this is equal to 270. Let's write it a little bit down. So this is equal to 270 plus 1.5 M, where M there is the number of customers. It says in a certain week, Jenny and Shauna receive the same wage for serving the same number of customers. It says how many customers did each serve. All right, so in a sense, in a certain week, WJ is equal to WS, and this is when N, which is the number of customers Jenny serves, is equal to M, which is the number of customers that Shauna serves. So WJ and WS are going to be equal, and M and N, they're going to be equal. So it means therefore that 600 plus 0.9, I'm going to say let this equal to X. 0.9X would be equal to 270 plus 1.5X. All right, so X is the number of customers. So we're going to have 600 minus 270 is equal to 1.5X minus 0.9X. Therefore, we have 0.6x, and x is the number of customers, will be equal to 330. Divide both sides by 0.6. Therefore, x would be equal to this is 550 customers. So if in a certain week, both Jenny and Shauna serve 550 customers, they will earn the same amount. If in a certain week, Jenny and Shauna serves 550 customers, they would earn the same amount.